Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best gas pressure washer that you should buy. Let's do started.
Number 1.
Take on tough cleaning tasks around the home with the Simpson MS60763 gas pressure washer. Powered by an easy-to-start Kohler RH265 engine and a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump, this machine delivers 3,100 PSI at 2.4 gallons per minute for every kind of residential cleaning project. The quarter-inch 25-foot Morflex hose is lightweight, durable, and resists kinks and abrasions. Other accessories include an ergonomic spray gun and a 16-inch steel wand with 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match your cleaning application. It's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame with 12-inch never flat wheels for easy maneuverability. The Simpson MS60763 pressure washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.
Number 2.
Introducing Simpson's best-selling residential pressure washer. The MSH3125 provides superior cleaning results for every kind of task around the home. Powered by an easy-to-start Honda GC190 engine and a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump, this machine delivers 3,200 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute. The quarter-inch 25-foot Morflex hose is lightweight, durable, and resists kinks and abrasions. Other accessories include an ergonomic spray gun and a 16-inch steel wand with 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match your cleaning application. It's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame, and the 10-inch premium pneumatic tires make it easy to transport anywhere you need it. The Simpson 3,200 PSI pressure washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.
Number 3.
Get the professional power and performance you need with the Simpson PS3228 gas pressure washer. Powered by a Honda GX200 engine with low oil shutdown feature and a AAA industrial triplex pump with fully adjustable unloader. This machine provides 3,300 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute to take on the toughest jobs. Our exclusive Power Boost technology increases pressure at the nozzle for enhanced cleaning. The 5/16" by 25-foot Morflex high-pressure hose is lightweight, durable, and resists kinks and abrasions. Additional accessories include an ergonomic spray gun with a 16-inch steel lance and 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match your cleaning application. And it's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame with 10-inch premium pneumatic tires. The Simpson 3228 pressure washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.
Number 4. Team 4200 PSI gas pressure washer. Dual detergent tanks, 2 0.7-liter onboard, removable detergent tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. The gas power washer adopts heavy-duty gas-powered 209cc 4-stroke OHV engine, which can completely burn fuel to achieve an efficient conversion of up to 95%. Maintenance-free axial cam pump for durable and convenient use. Our pressure washer complies with CARB standards. Number 5.
Hi, I'm Craig Serio, Senior Engineering Manager with Briggs & Stratton, and I want to discuss some best practices when it comes to starting your pressure washer equipped with the Briggs & Stratton CR950 engine. Before getting ready to use your pressure washer, make sure you have followed the instructions within the operator's manual. Once the unit is fully assembled, oil level checked, and gas has been added, turn the ignition switch to the on position. After this, you will need to adjust the choke. You might be wondering or asking why the choke is important or why it's necessary. The choke allows for more fuel to enter the engine, allowing for an easier start. So how do you adjust the choke? There are 2 levers on the engine. One is the choke, and the other is the fuel valve. Out of the box, both levers will be all the way to the right or open. Before attempting to start your pressure washer, make sure that the choke lever is pushed all the way to the left-hand side or closed. The fuel valve will remain on the right-hand side or open. Once done, go ahead and start the engine. Once the engine starts, slide the choke to the right or open position. If after 2 pulls the engine does not start or it starts quickly but stops, move the choke lever all the way to the right or the open position, and after making sure the gun is pointed in a safe position, pull the trigger on the gun to relieve any built-up pressure, and give the cord a pull and your pressure washer should now start. If you stop the pressure washer for refueling or to simply take a break, you may need to put the choke back into the closed position or to the left and pull the cord once more. Then move the choke to the open position or to the right and pull the cord again. Your pressure washer should now start.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.